What? 5,000 subscribers? That's a nice point to hit with the channel. The channel is now 2 years old. I was so excited I had to pull over and jump out. The channel is 2 years old, 2 years and a week. It took 1 year to get 1,600 subscribers, and now 2 years to make the 5,000 subscriber mark. You got stuff all over you, huh? We want to thank you for coming with us on our travels. We really try to stick to rural America, and as you can see, we're not traveling the interstate today. I get off the interstate as much as I can. There's places where you can't avoid it, and unless you want to go up some goat path, and driving a bounder, goat paths aren't always an option. So I just wanted to chime in real quick and mark this spot for the channel. What will another year bring? I don't know, but we're just gonna keep doing what we're doing. Doing what I enjoy out here, just visiting rural America. A lot of interesting things to just happen across, you know. So, thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video.